In this video, I'm going to be covering multipoint analysis in SOOTHSAYER. This allows us to quickly define links on the map, pointing tester transmitters back to your map's marker's location, which assumes the role of the receiver. This feature can be turned on by pressing the button on the top toolbar. Once selected, we get a reminder of the settings used for the transmitter and the receiver. To test a link, we can simply click on the map. These links will be coloured according to the colour scheme we used. Factors such as land cover and buildings are also incorporated into the calculations. Please note that multipoint links are not saved to the database.